details. 26.5% of Americans are obese and 36.6% are overweighted. If you are within these categories or just want to get fit, then we have the device for you. Our bike is a way to get fit.
Hey, I'm the owner of the bikes, trikes, and more. We have created a new bike that's able to power a house. How, you may ask? It will connect to your power generator, and after that, all you do is pedal. It will then power your house, and you will be getting that cardio workout you needed all along with being able to power your house.
This machine will be revolutionary to the new age of power generation and cardio. This machine will be able to power up your house just by doing simple exercise. You will be able to get in shape without workout on the daily.
The electricity is generated by a dynamo built into the bicycle. This device takes mechanical force and transforms it into electric power. For every hour of cycling, you can generate 60 watts of electricity.
We found 4 solutions that are similar from our own bike. For example, the co-founder of the 5-hour energy company developed a similar bike. However, none of the solutions are gone into commercial markets. Our solution will be the first that could individually.
The other existing solutions that we have discovered are by a company called Coexist, based in Northeast England, has made an outdoor gym that transfers mechanical energy into electric energy. Instead of draining the power supply, it can help it power instead. All the other solutions are not offered to the public, so we are the first power generating bike offered commercially.
The cost of the PV bike will be $499.99. This includes the price of the bike, dynamo, and app. Again, this bike is $49.99.
So come on down to get your PV bike.
Yeah.
Woohoo!